Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for July 9, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, OpenAI drops GPT-Live, real-time voice AI that feels like talking to a human. OpenAI discredits SWE-Bench Pro, major coding benchmark no longer reliable due to flaws. MoWorld hits 50 FPS world modeling. Huawei and Lenovo invest as robotics race heats up. OpenAI rolls out new model series to all ChatGPT users. Text upgrades go live alongside GPT-Live. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. OpenAI just dropped GPT-Live, its new real-time voice AI, into ChatGPT. Sam Altman called it a leap forward, and Greg Brockman said it feels like talking to a human. This is the first time OpenAI has shipped a voice model capable of truly natural, low-latency dialogue, no more robotic pauses or forced restarts. Developers building voice agents now have a production-grade API that actually works. Big credibility shakeup in AI coding. OpenAI just audited SWE-Bench Pro, the gold standard benchmark for coding models, and found serious flaws. Data leaks, weak test coverage, inflated scores, so OpenAI officially declared it no longer reliable. That means every leaderboard ranking, every startup pitch deck citing SWE-Bench scores, and every hiring pipeline using it? Now under serious doubt. A Chinese AI startup just hit 50 frames per second on real-time world modeling, and cut costs by 70%. MoWorld's new engine is built for robots and self-driving simulators, and it's already attracted major backing. Huawei and Lenovo have both confirmed investments. This isn't just faster rendering, it's a signal that the race for embodied AI infrastructure just went global. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. OpenAI just pushed its new model series to all ChatGPT users, not just Plus subscribers. It's rolling out now, alongside GPT-Live, with upgraded reasoning, tool use, and context handling. If you've noticed ChatGPT feeling sharper today? That's why. And developers should watch for updated API pricing and rate limits in the next 48 hours. NVIDIA and HuggingFace just dropped data for agents, the first open dataset built from the ground up for training AI agents. It covers tool calling, multi-step planning, and real-world workflow patterns. Why does it matter? Because until now, most agent developers were stitching together random web scrapes or synthetic data. This changes the game, especially for startups building custom agents without billion-dollar data pipelines. Here's a sobering number. RoboDojo, the toughest embodied AI benchmark out there, gives humans a perfect 100, but the best AI model scored just 12.8. That's not a 10-point gap. It's a chasm. This isn't about smarter chatbots, it's about robots that can navigate, adapt, and act in messy reality. And right now? We're barely off the starting line. xAI's Grok 4.5 just landed on OpenClaw, the first time this powerful new reasoning model is available outside xAI's own apps. Developers can now test it directly in agent pipelines, compare it head-to-head with GPT 4.5 or Claude 3.5, and fine-tune for specialized tasks. If you've been waiting for a credible open alternative to closed model reasoning, this is your shot. Tencent just open-sourced Agent Memory, a fully local, zero API memory system for LLM agents. No cloud calls, no latency, no vendor lock-in, just pure local storage with a smart 4-stage pipeline. It's already racked up over 350 GitHub stars in less than a day. For privacy-first teams or edge-deployed agents, this could be the missing piece. vLLM just removed a huge friction point. Its new native transformers backend lets you run vanilla HuggingFace code, zero modifications, and get production-grade inference speed. No more rewriting models for vLLM, no more custom kernels. Just import, load, and go, fast. For ML engineers juggling dozens of experiments, this cuts deployment time from days to minutes. LangChain CEO Harrison Chase and NVIDIA's Jensen Huang just had a rare deep dive on the future of AI agents, and their message was clear: infrastructure is the bottleneck. They talked about co-designing chips for agent workloads, standardizing tool interfaces, and moving beyond chat wrappers to true autonomous systems. If you're building anything beyond a demo, this conversation just set the agenda. EverMind just dropped Raven, a self-evolving agent framework that doesn't just follow instructions, it rewrites its own code, tests the changes, and deploys upgrades autonomously. Think of it as an agent that debugs and improves itself in real time. EverMind calls it digital life, and while that sounds sci-fi, the GitHub repo is live and the architecture paper is already circulating among top labs. Rumors are now looking like reality. DeepSeek is reportedly developing its own AI inference chip. According to Machine Heart, the Chinese AI firm is pursuing full-stack vertical integration, from foundation models down to custom silicon. It's not official yet, but supply chain sources confirm active R&D. If true, this puts DeepSeek in the same league as NVIDIA, Google, and Amazon, and signals a new phase in China's AI sovereignty push. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.